What is a double-stick installation? A double-stick carpet installation is a technique in which the underlay is adhered to the subfloor using a release-type adhesive, and a Hessian or action-back carpet is fully adhered to the underlay using a permanent adhesive. The key advantages of a double-stick system are: reduces the risk of carpet rocking in high-traffic areas. It avoids the need for sewn or heat bond seams when joining carpet together. Gripper fixings and stretching of the carpet are not necessary. It provides a quiet and fast installation in large areas and improved flame retardancy of final floor build-up. The only disadvantage is increased installation costs, but the long-term maintenance costs are lower. Preparing the subfloor. The subfloor must be level, sound, dry, and free from dust, grease, and other contaminants. It must be free from excessive moisture with a relative humidity not exceeding 75%. A moisture indicator test should be performed in all new buildings to check for excessive levels of humidity. Laying the underlay. Using shears, cut the underlay approximately 50 mm over size around the perimeter of the room. Then lay out the Durafit underlay onto the subfloor, printed side up, ensuring seams in the underlay are closely butted and run at 90 degrees to any floorboards. If possible, the underlay should also run at 90 degrees to any carpet seams that may be added later. Each length of underlay should run at 180 degrees to the preceding piece. This can be achieved by rotating every other section. Check the underlay joins are level and of the same height. Roll back the lengths of underlay to expose one half of the subfloor. Apply Durafit or Stick-Attack tackifier adhesive to the subfloor using a roller. Use a small roller to neatly cover the perimeter of the room and then apply to the remaining area with a larger roller. Once the adhesive has touch-dried to a tacky state and looks clear, you can roll the underlay back onto the adhesive, ensuring all seams are closely butted. Roll back the underlay from the unglued half and repeat the process for the remaining floor area. When finished, cut the underlay to approximately 6 mm from the skirting board or wall to leave a gap for a tuck finish. The exact gap can be calculated by measuring the depth of the carpet and underlay combined and setting a gap of 2/3 that thickness. Gripper rod's blind gripper can also be used to provide a neat, high-quality edge, in which case the underlay should be cut where it meets the edge of the gripper. Tape the edges of the underlay. Finally, use a gripper rod's weighted glider to ensure that all the underlay is firmly in contact with the tackifier adhesive. Applying the carpet adhesive. First, unroll the carpet and maneuver into the desired position, cutting approximately to 50 mm larger than the room size. Press the carpet into the corners of the room with either a Stick-Attack Speed Cat or a carpet tucker, as the creases will help the carpet reposition later. Then, fold the carpet back on itself to leave half the room uncovered. Apply the Durafit or Stick-Attack double-stick adhesive using the Durafit notch applicator trowel. Start by coating the edges, then apply to the rest of the exposed underlay. Laying the carpet. Lay the carpet into the wet adhesive and smooth out any fullness or air bubbles with the gripper rod's weighted glider. Always glide from the center of the room to the perimeter and in both directions. Repeat the gluing and gliding process for the other half of the room. If separate sections of carpet are to be joined, apply gap sealant to the edge, carefully position the carpet back in place, and work the carpet so the two edges are neatly butted together. A Stick-Attack grooming roller can be used to ensure the carpet is pressed into the adhesive by firmly running it along the joined area. A tuck finish around the perimeter may be achieved by cutting the carpet slightly over size and tucking this into the 6 mm gap between the underlay and the wall. First, press the carpet into the space where the wall meets the floor. This can be best achieved using a gripper rod Speed Cat. Place a vertical cut into the carpet at the corners of the room to help the carpet tuck in. Then, place a sharp cut into the carpet horizontally along the line of the skirting with a dolphin knife. To ensure a clean, consistent cut around the perimeter of the room, a Stick-Attack Trim Master is recommended. The carpet is then tucked into the gap between the underlay and the skirting. For the most professional finish, we recommend using a Stick-Attack Speed Cat, as it speeds up this element and has the added benefit of preventing the carpet from kicking or bubbling back.